I'm going to do some breathing exercises now, which are also linked to trauma, because you have another type of breathing or speed of breathing at certain instances, and I'm gonna make sounds while breathing. I feel already by mentioning these words that my body is reacting with tension. So now I'm gonna breathe. That was one exercise now. Now I want to sit in front of a camera and do the same. Ja, maar ik moet dit even oefenen. I'm now feeling that my legs had not enough force actually for a short time. So I'm going to do it again. I know. Now I'm gonna let my body further relax. As you see, my dogs are not at ease at this moment. So they sit next to me, both of them. So they say, you know, you have to stop this exercise now.